What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we are gonna talk about Dogecoin again. And yes, look at this. Ellen DeGeneres just now tweeted about Dogecoin. Look, today Mark Cuban taught me about Dogecoin. I'm still not sure I understand it or know how to pronounce it, but it sure is fun to say. And like I said in my previous video, some people are not that in tune to like crypto and stuff like that. They're not too in tune to like cryptos. And she even said her favorite investments are real estate. So this is big. We're gonna get a lot of like real estate investors investing inside of Dogecoin. We're gonna get a lot of other people, like a lot of her fans are gonna be invested inside of Dogecoin, and a lot more people like her are also gonna invest inside Dogecoin. So overall, this is gonna be really good for Dogecoin. Like, we have Slim Jim here with Dogecoin. We had the whole Slim Jim army with Dogecoin. 106k followers right there. That's a lot of people. And here at Ellen DeGeneres, I think even on her Twitter, 79 million followers. This is really big with Dogecoin. And not even to mention Mark Cuban, 8.3 million followers. So this is big, and all the money behind this. So Dogecoin is going to continue to jump. And look, Shibatoshi Nakamoto, that is the creator of Dogecoin. Though no longer coding on the project, he's still the creator of Dogecoin, and he still supports Dogecoin. He just says don't gamble all your money in it, and that is true. Don't put your whole life savings in it. Only put what you're willing to lose. I keep saying this, but I have to say this because for new investors, they have to know Dogecoin can go all the way down in a matter of seconds, really, and it's really just how volatile it could be. But yeah, all the Dogecoin memes are funny. We got all these Dogecoin gifts, and yeah, this is moving slow right now, but yeah. Everything is going good here with Dogecoin. We have Ellen DeGeneres here. Now she is with the Dogecoin community, and she says it's fun. So I wonder what she will put inside of Dogecoin. But yeah, this is definitely fun to find out with Dogecoin. It's really cool to see all the stuff that Dogecoin is coming up with, and all the new growth we have, all the new opportunities that we have. Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, he is now with Dogecoin. So yes, he's trying to pump Dogecoin here. So he is going up to the moon with us with Dogecoin. But yeah, we're continuing to grow here with Dogecoin. We have so many different faces, and you just know whenever we have so many different public figures on one thing, we're going to continue to grow with that one thing. So Dogecoin is that one thing right now, just like with GameStop, AMC, all that happened. But you've seen how AMC and GameStop jumped and then they dropped. But the second they jumped and they dropped, they came right back up. So it's something that you see a lot with cryptos and stocks. So he's saying Doge, Safe, AMC, GME. So yeah, Safe Moon, that's Safe Moon right there. A lot of people have been talking about Safe Moon, but I don't have any money in there currently, just in Doge right now. I'm still looking at Safe Moon. I'm not sure if I want to put my money in a Safe Moon yet, but I have made a Safe Moon video, so you can go ahead and watch that. I did a little research on it, and there was a few things I seen that were fishy, but I still think Safe Moon could be really good because a lot of people can really 10x their money, possibly even 100x their money. And yeah, Safe Moon has that potential, and so does Doge. I don't know much about Safe Moon, so I'm not going to tell you to go get Safe Moon. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But yeah, my main thing right now is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is our main focus. Let's go over here and look at our chart over here. Okay, so now we see Dogecoin over here, and we were all the way over here like earlier in the day, up here at this peak. Let's go at a smaller chart, actually, over here to the 1 minute chart. And we did take a dip earlier. I was thinking about swing trading and day trading Doge, but I decided not to day trade Doge because it could actually end up rocketing any moment now. It could skyrocket at any moment right now. We have just been consolidating for so long. We've been staying around this 27 cents range, but I definitely think that we're going to hit maybe even 50 cents after all of this Ellen DeGeneres stuff happens, the Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk, all the new investors coming in. So this is really good for Doge. And then when we really test $1, that's when we're really going to be tested, because that $1 is going to have so much resistance. It's not going to want to break $1 because people are going to be selling it, but we are going to break $1. There's just going to be so much resistance, so we're going to have some diamond hands. Everybody's going to need diamond hands here. I got diamond hands, so I hope you all have diamond hands, because we all got diamond hands. We can all have diamond hands. But yeah, this is just what we're doing here with Doge. Let's go over here to the 5 minute chart. I'm trying to look at it from a smaller point of view here. Yeah, and this is what we are looking at right here. This chart here. So this was the trend line that I set inside the previous videos, and we have been following that trend line. And this is also another trend line that is set. And since we are following this and we have been consolidating this whole time, I definitely think we're about to go really crazy here with Doge. And especially when you see the news focusing around Doge, like every celebrity is talking about Doge. The news is really focused on Doge right now, and everybody is using Doge to promote their stuff right now because Doge is going crazy. And this is crazy that this is happening right as this chart is consolidating. And the reason the chart is consolidating is because of the media. It's because of all this media. Is like everyone's talking about Doge. So yes, even though we had a bunch of people selling, now a bunch of people are buying at the same rate. So now we're staying at a constant rate. But as soon as that one big thing in the media hits that we're cooking up to, that's when it goes really crazy. And that's when we're about to see tonight, possibly tonight or some other day. But we're about to see it very soon. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. That's why I'm not saying it's going to be tonight for sure, because that is when the show with Ellen DeGeneres is going to be. But it's not going, I don't know if it's going to be what actually pushes us above 30 cents right now. Anything could do it right now. Anything could set it off. Doge is ready to go crazy. We know whenever Doge jumps, it goes up crazy and it does not stop and it does not hold back. Doge is relentless with these jumps. I mean, look at all of these jumps back here. I got in all the way back here at 6 cents, and I've seen the best of these jumps. And that's actually when I started making these videos. You can check at the playlist that I have on the cards at the top right of the screen. But yeah, as you can see, I got in all the way back here at 6 cents. And then I really did sell all the way up here at 44, and then it dropped. But between all of this, I did do a lot of buying and selling. Like between all of this, I would do swing trades, swing trades and day trades. Like I actually sold up here, and then I bought back in, and then just kept continuing to ride the wave. And now I am where I am now with Doge, and that is down here where we all are. But we're going to continue to rise here with Doge, and that's why I'm saying we're about to break out, because I've seen this chart do this before, and it's exactly what I've seen in the previous terms. It's just happening in such a different way because Doge has so many more new people here that the growth is happening even faster than it used to. So it's actually getting different. The chart is starting to move different here with Doge. But we're still doing what we used to do, and we're doing that even better now. So I definitely believe we're going to continue to rise here with Doge, and we're going to actually break this resistance that we have. It doesn't want to get past 27 cents, but we're going to break 30 cents. We're going to break all the way up there. And tonight we could possibly hit 40 cents, but don't mark me on that. Yeah, we have so much growth here with Doge. So many different people here talking about Doge with us. This is actually really good for Doge. As I said, Jordan Belfort with Wall Street, with the Wolf of Wall Street. We have everybody here with Doge. And yeah, as we can see, we just have all this Doge support, the top Doge support. We have all these famous people here with Doge. David Goxine, we even have this creator here. We have so many different Doge supporters. And this is just one of the things that you have to think about when investing in anything. Does it have a good community? Is everyone in it invested in it for the right reason? And a lot of people in Doge are invested in it to make a huge dollar. So when you see Doge jump, just know when it jumps, it will dip huge, just like we always do, because people want to sell and they want to take out their profits. But that's why we jump huge when we do jump, because when we do jump with Doge, we go all the way up, and then we usually take a little dip down. People think we're done, but nope, it's not done. It'll go all the way up again, and it may take another dip down, maybe a bigger one, and then do something like this, and then really go out for the big run, and then we may just end up landing around 55 cents to 60 cents. And that's my projection, that we start landing to around 55 or 60 cents. And then from there, we'll probably end up just coming down, and then we'll probably end up consolidating here around maybe 38 cents to 40, or it maybe even push down more to low, like 33 cents. But this is what we're seeing here for Doge. Doge can do anything at this moment, but we know it's going to jump soon. And that's just how Doge is moving. And if it does drop, then that means it just defied the odds and it just broke a trend line. And there is reasons why trend lines are breaking. It could be a whale just sold all of their Doge. So let's say if a whale sold all of their Doge, and then that means that they pretty much, if they own like 30 billion Doge, then that means that 30 billion Doge is just now circulating right now. They just now sold it all, and now it's looking really bearish. So now that price is just now shooting down because all of those Doge were just now sold, and it wasn't a buy order. And vice versa, if it was a buy order that did that, it would shoot Doge's price up. So if a whale just came in and bought a bunch of Doge, the price would go up enormously. And that may be what we see after Ellen, because Ellen DeGeneres is rich and she has a lot of rich friends. So just think about what that could do for Doge. All these rich people getting in on Doge. This is really good for Doge, and that's really all you have to think about with Doge is all the rich people that are supporting it. Like we have Elon Musk here, we have Mark Cuban. We have so many people. We may even have Jeff Bezos if he decides to get in on this. So we have so many people so bullish with this. We have Slim Jim. We have Wall Street's Bets. We have Axe. We have a lot of different brands here that are really big, and they're getting in here on Doge. So yeah, this is what we're seeing with Doge, and we already did this news earlier with the Houston dealership with all those luxury cars. But yeah, let's go over here and look at what we're doing on Google Trends. This is the real testimony if Doge is doing what Doge is supposed to be doing. If we are doing good on Google Trends, that means we are trending all on the internet, because Google Trends it searches everything. We are doing a whole web search. So this is what they are projecting, that they're saying that we're saying. Let's go over here at a shorter projection, the past hour. As you can see, we are rising. We dropped from Doge after 420, we just dropped. But now we are rising again. So now we are at higher numbers than we ever were before. But let's go into the past 4 hours. Let's look at that. We're doing pretty good there. For the past day, let's see. It looks like we're down from where we were earlier in the day. That's crazy because we were doing pretty good numbers at Doge around 6 a.m. That's when Doge was worth the most today. And yeah, you can definitely see the price, translating into this. So Doge is definitely on the come up here. We're at a low point right here. Back here, this is where everything was going crazy. This is when everyone wanted to jump out of Doge because it was April 22nd. And they're like, oh my gosh, everything just dropped 2 days ago. I don't know what to do. And yeah, I'm still in Doge, and I'm going to stay in Doge here because this is my lottery ticket and I will not get rid of it. And yeah, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And if you don't want to lose all your money, don't put it all into one thing. And because anything, this is so volatile, like anything is volatile dealing with crypto. So when you're dealing with crypto, all cryptos are volatile. I mean, even Dogecoin is volatile. So I would say if you don't want to lose all your money, don't put it all in. Don't do that to yourself. But I am going all in because I have diamond hands. My hands are made of diamonds and not paper. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going all in up here on Doge. I'm currently holding a good amount of Doge right now. So we're definitely going to continue to go to the moon here at Doge. And I'm just projecting something crazy like this. And like I said, whenever I see huge profits, when I see this around like 55, maybe 60 cents, I'm going to go ahead and sell up all the way by 55 or 60 cents. And then I'm going to buy back in when it dips, just like I always do. I sell it at the peak and buy back in at the dip. But I did not do it back here because I didn't know that we were actually going to continue to, rise. But then I did do it when it got around here because then I was like, all right, we are not going to continue to rise here. And I did the same thing after we dipped to about here because I was like, all right, let's cut my losses. And then that's when I started trading down a little bit. But yeah, Dogecoin is definitely going to make a lot of millionaires here. We're going to make a lot of money here on Doge. And we got so many famous people here with us investing. Let's just get Oprah here. That would be really cool. We got Ellen and then we got Oprah. We got so many people here with Doge. But yeah, we need to get Oprah with Doge. We need to get Jeff Bezos with Doge. We need to buy Teslas with Doge now. We need to do everything Doge. Let's go over here and look at our latest things for Doge. The newest things that we have for Doge on Twitter. Let's scroll all the way up here. So yeah, we have even a bunch of people just promoting Doge here. These are just Twitter promotes here. I was about to say Budweiser. No, we do not have Budweiser yet. But we do have a lot of different companies and a lot of different people who are really bullish here with Doge. But yeah, we have the strongest community here on all cryptos. I'm hands down saying this, all cryptos, Doge has the strongest community. I know we do. Look at this. Dogecoin, fear of missing out. That's FOMO. Don't miss out on BTC. BitTorrent X, 200 million wallets. All right, they're promoting this with Dogecoin. Say you can get Dogecoin on Liquid Crypts. I've never heard of that. BitTorrent. Liquid Crypts, huh? Let me see what Liquid Crypts is. I couldn't even pronounce that for a second. Liquid Crypts. Oh, okay. So they have their own website here. So that's pretty cool. So people are actually creating their own websites here, and they're getting paid, doing their little exchange thing here. So yeah, Dogecoin is helping a lot of people out in a lot of different ways. But yeah, Dogecoin will continue to go to the moon here. We have so many different people in this community. I just imagine like how much money everyone has inside of this community. Because when you go over to CoinGecko and you look at our market cap, we have so much market cap. We have so much market cap with Doge. That's about 35 billion probably right now. 34.8 billion. But that's so close to 35 billion, and we're almost there. And we were there previously, but people keep selling their Doge. But look at this. We are going to grow. We are going to pass this tiny 24-hour trading volume. We're going to pass this, and we're going to pass this little market cap here. We're going to go way past it, honestly. And Dogecoin is going to the moon. Everybody knows this. And I'm not even pumping the coin. I've seen some people saying that I'm pumping, but I'm not pumping. I'm just posting a video about how optimistic I am with Doge and how much I like it and what I'm personally doing, and saying I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So that is all the info you need. This is all we need right here is Doge to go up to the moon. And as long as we all hold Doge with diamond hands, we will be good. But remember, do not gamble your whole life savings. This is not the casino. This is not Vegas. This is Dogecoin, and this is the moon, and we have a destination. So do not put everything in all at once and lose your whole life savings. That would be terrible. But yeah, we're gonna continue to grow here with Doge. Let's see where we are at currently. Yeah, currently at 26.95. We were at 27 cents earlier. But yeah, we're just continuing to trade sideways. I wouldn't get scared about any of this. This is normal with all cryptos. We always have dips. But I guarantee we are about to jump. I'm telling everyone now, so then we can all make a good amount of money here. I'm really excited here, so it's hard to talk because I know we are about to go crazy here with Doge, because everything's gonna go crazy with Doge, and it always does. It always does this. And this is the moment right here. This is the exact moment. Like back here, we had the exact thing happen. Like look over here, we had this exact kind of movement here. We had the exact kind of dips after we had huge jumps, huge growth, and then we just have a huge dip after we have some resistance. And like right here, like you see they go up once and then twice. It couldn't break it twice, so it had to consolidate, and then boom, right at the consolidation, boom, it went to the moon. This is exactly what happened. This is what has me so excited, because I know how much money I made before, and I know how much money I'm going to make now. If Dogecoin goes all the way up to $1, I know I'm going to make a bunch of money, and I hope you all make a bunch of money as well, because this is all about making money. And it's not all about making money, obviously. It's also about the community. The Dogecoin community is a fun community to be in. We have so many different Dogecoin people, and now people are becoming Dogecoin creators. People are mining Dogecoin. People are making Dogecoin memes. People are doing everything with Dogecoin. And Dogecoin just has so much more meaning behind it. And like we all know, a lot of things are going on with Dogecoin. So we don't want to continue to miss out on it. And Twitter is one of the best places for Dogecoin. It's one of the best places for everything. Like you can promote whatever you want. You see so many people talking about stuff on Twitter. And this is where people really, they retweet things. And then now we just have a bunch of news about Dogecoin being spread by people that don't really know much about it. So this is really big here, that we have communities this big. And Ellen DeGeneres, she's just going to make it twice as better. This is just really good news for Dogecoin. And also Mark Cuban is he's our number 2 supporter. I guess we can just keep Elon Musk as our number 1 and then Mark Cuban as our number 2. But Mark Cuban is looking like the number 1 with all the promotion he's been doing with Dogecoin. So Elon Musk may have to step it up with his May 8th little Sunday Night Live thing. That will also be good. That will put him back at the #1 spot, depending what he says about Dogecoin and depending how he says it. If he says it in a way that makes Dogecoin look really well, that's pretty good. Mark Cuban said something. He told everyone that Dogecoin was created as a joke, but it's not a joke anymore. So it's definitely good that he didn't lie to everyone, that he told everyone that it was created as a joke, but it's no longer a joke. And he definitely did put Dogecoin in a pretty good light in that little preview that I seen. And yeah, he definitely promoted Dogecoin well there, and he got Ellen pretty excited about it. So excited that she actually tweeted about it. So this is actually some really good news here for the Dogecoin. But remember, this is just a little, update on Dogecoin. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for Robinhood, Public, and Webull. And you can now get Dogecoin on Webull. And I will be back with another video. Peace.